Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. This video is on the best spray wax for black cars. This list is the result of detailed research and hands-on testing considering features, pricing, quality, and brand reputation. Make sure to check the description below for more details and up-to-date pricing. We've included all the links in the description below. Before we begin, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and press the bell so you never miss out on our latest videos.
Starting at number 5, Malco Showroom Shine Spray Car Wax. Want a spotless showroom shine in just 15 minutes? Imagine finishing your car wash, no streaks, no mess. Meet Malco Showroom Shine Spray Car Wax, the pro's secret weapon. Just spray on, wipe off, no special skills needed. Removes dust, dirt, and fingerprints instantly. Safe for all surfaces, paint, metal, and even glass. Forget streaks, this formula leaves zero residue. Advanced nanotechnology delivers intense head-turning gloss, protects your paint while boosting reflection and shine. Perfect for busy car owners and detailing pros alike. Trusted by Malco since 1953, quality you can rely on. New look, same powerful formula inside every bottle. Transform your car in one quick, convenient step. Ready for a professional finish at home? Grab Malco Showroom Shine Spray Car Wax today. Number 4, Chemical Guys Hybrid Radiant Finish. Most people think black cars are impossible to keep flawless, but as a professional detailer, I know that's not true. The real issue? Swirls, dullness, and fading from the sun. Many products only mask imperfections or require multiple steps. Introducing Chemical Guys Blacklight Hybrid Radiant Finish. This isn't just a glaze, it's a hybrid glaze and sealant. Its nano-blended formula fills minor imperfections instantly. Gloss enhancers deliver a deep, wet, mirror-like shine. Advanced sealants protect against UV rays and pollution. No need for separate polish, glaze, or sealant, one step. Watch as minor swirls and scratches become nearly invisible. Your black car's paint looks flawless and feels ultra smooth. I trust Blacklight for showroom results on every dark vehicle. Demand the best. Radiant shine, lasting protection, effortless application. Ready to transform your black car? Visit the Chemical Guys store now. Click follow for pro tips, promos, and new launches. Number 3, Migier's D5 601 Synthetic Express Spray Wax. Want a deep, lasting shine in minutes? Here's how. Imagine you're busy, but your car always looks showroom new. Meet Migier's Synthetic Express Spray Wax. Effortless, professional-grade shine. Just spray on and wipe off, no complicated steps, no mess. Apply it on wet or dry paint, even under direct sunlight. Perfect for quick touch-ups after a wash or before a drive. Our advanced formula creates a deep, wet look gloss instantly. It's VOC-free and safe for paint, trim, glass, and chrome. Water beads right off, protecting against rain, sun, and fading. No streaks, no residue, just a flawless, mirror-like finish. Detailers love its speed. Car owners love the professional results. 1 gallon covers countless applications, ideal for pros and enthusiasts. Upgrade your maintenance routine, fast, effective, and always impressive. Don't settle for less. Give your car the ultimate shine today. Migier's Express Spray Wax. Shine that shows you care. Try it now and rediscover your vehicle's true beauty. Number 2, Migliore Strata Coating. What if your car could repel dirt like magic? Introducing Migliore Strata Coating, shine that stuns instantly. Watch as water beads and slides right off the surface. Bird droppings, salt, sun, no worries, protected for 12 plus months. Forget complicated routines, application is a breeze. Just wash, clay, buff, and polish. That's it. Self-cleaning effect means less washing, more admiring. Extreme gloss, mirror-like shine you'll want to touch. No fake claims, no foreign mystery formulas. Proudly made in the USA for true car lovers. Nano-ceramic tech shields against UV and water spots. Hydrophobic barrier keeps paint flawless and vibrant. Ideal for cars, boats, and motorcycles. One solution fits all. Professional results, DIY friendly, shine like a pro. Ready for head-turning gloss and easy care? Try Migliore Strata Coating today. Your vehicle deserves it. Number 1, Turtle Wax 53448 Hybrid Solutions. Own a black car? Tired of scratches and dull paint? Let me show you Turtle Wax Hybrid Solutions, Ceramic acrylic black polish. Reason 1, instantly removes scratches and swirl marks with ease. Reason 2, delivers a deep, glossy black shine every time. Reason 3, advanced ceramic and SiO2 polymers repel water and contaminants. This means less cleaning and longer-lasting protection for your ride. Formulated with black carnauba wax pigments for that showroom finish, it fills minor imperfections, making your black paint look flawless. No dusting, longer work time, perfect for beginners or pros alike. Apply by hand or machine for professional-grade results at home. Enjoy a tropical fruity scent while you detail your car. Want even more shine? Pair it with Turtle Wax Black Spray Wax. Protect your investment and turn heads wherever you drive. Ready for that deep black water-repellent finish? Grab Turtle Wax Hybrid Solutions Ceramic Acrylic Black Polish today. Hit the link and let your black car truly shine. All the product links mentioned are in the description box. If this video helped you, please give the video a like. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell to keep up to date on the latest videos. Thanks for watching.